Show me. My Lord, you are conducting their case for them. You are the one running their case for them. Let them show me that the prosecution. Show me where it says you can waive my right to final written address. And I'll sit down.
You have the right to appeal after.
No, my Lord. This is a perversion of the cause of justice. This is not law. It is not law.
Can you excuse me?
My Lord, I cannot excuse nullity and illegality.
Can you let him
It's not possible. It is not possible, my Lord. You must show me where the Constitution says you have the right to waive my written address. You must show me. Show me. Show me where it says so. Show me. Show me where it says so.
Excuse him.
Is that why you brought the cameras? Is that why you brought them today?
Please.
You didn't bring it before. You brought it today.
Please.
Show me where it says you can try me on a repeat law. Show me.
Please.
Show me where it says you can try me on a repeat law. I said, show me. Show me. Show me.
Get the microphone from him.
No, leave it. Leave it. Leave it. I said, leave it. It's a court of law. I'm under trial. I'm under trial and I have to speak. I'm under trial and I have to speak. Listen to me. Listen to me, please. I'm under trial. I'm under trial. I'm under trial. And I must address the court. Wait. No, listen to me. Please. The judge must listen to me. No. Wait. Wait. I'm asking a very simple question. No. Wait. Please. Look, this is Supreme Court. Wait, hold on. This is Supreme Court here. Hold on a second. Hold on. I said hold on. This is not a court of law. It's not a court of law. What you're doing is not law. You don't know the law. Show me. I said show me where you have the right to waive my right to final address. Show me. It's what the Constitution says. Show me. Show me. You cannot show me. You cannot show me. You cannot show me because you don't know the law. You can't show me. Wait, hold on. Don't touch me. Don't you dare touch me. People who don't know law, show me where it says you can waive my right. Show me the place I'm asking you. Show me. Show me. Show me. Which law says you can try me an unwritten law? Show me. You cannot show me. And you're a judge. You can't get a judge. You don't know law. You don't know law. Nonsense. Where is the final written address? Where is it? Which law gave you the right to waive my final written address? Which law gave you that right? Nonsense. You think I try this with you? You try illiterates and you try with me? You are mad. What's this one doing here? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Ask me, what are you doing here? This is the idiot attack me. This is the fool attacking me. That's the idiot attacking me. That's the fool. Don't touch me. Don't push me. I'm going, don't touch. Don't touch me. I'm warning you, don't touch me. I'm warning you, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I said, don't touch me. Don't. Smart people. You don't know law. Show me where it says you can waive my right to final address. Show me the law. Show me the law. I want to show me the law. You don't know law. Let it be on record. Any judgment in this court is rubbish.
Hope you saw how the Utobo, the convicted terrorist Nnamdi Kanu, was shocked that they brought the camera. If the government was really in all sincerity against you, and they've not been carrying out their duties in a just manner, why would the defendant himself be shy of a camera? Why would the defendant not want a camera in the courtroom? Oh, is this why you brought a camera? So you people will now give us your selected 3-minute, 4-minute videos that we have been using for propaganda. Which I'm happy, I'm thankful they brought a camera inside the courtroom. You see, your lawyers couldn't even say anything. Even someone's attorney. You were given an opportunity in the court of law to speak. Even as a lawyer or as a consultant, Look at what the Utobo did. He just passed the mic to the worthless member House of Rep Obinna Agwata. Please, those of you from his constituency, I want you all to shame us with his constituency project. Show us all the constituency projects of Obinna Agwata, then you will know how they are playing you for fools. The Nnamdi Kanu issue. See how he was backing. That you want to address. You did not even put up a defense. So what address are you bringing? Huh? You waiving your right to defense means admittance of guilt. You don't need to be a PhD holder in law to know this. And now this is what he thought would have taken center stage. I'm happy he was outflanked by the government. By virtue of that live coverage, it destroys so many things. Even some of their people are now seeing it for what it actually is. They just gave him the best thing he can hope for. Unless you want to gaslight yourself. Unless you are trying to inverse reality. You understand? Anyone saying this is injustice is just trying to sell you an inversion of truth and reality. This is how it should be. Our own anger is with the judge. Why would you be telling us that the Bible told you to be merciful? Well, our own book, our own law, as traditionalists, doesn't make room for that. So how about us? So why would you make it a Christian thing? Nigeria is not a Christian country. That is why we need to remove all these religious undertones to our laws. And we are not mature enough to abolish the penalty. No, capital punishment must be carried out if we want these people to take us seriously. And let this case of Nnamdi Kanu be how they will be trying every single terrorist in this country. On the judgment day, beam it live, let everybody see it, and let's see how they will free him. You know, those people that are shouting they are freeing terrorists, let us see them. Yes, and all the people that are there crying, oh, it's Ndi Igbo, it's the case as Igbo. No, as Ndi Igbo, we are happy. We are not entirely happy because they did not give him hanging, which was what we were hoping for. Nevertheless, we'll take this one, and I'm happy people are going to appeal. Appeal should uphold our own view, which is by this guy. Let's know what they will do. My people, please keep rejoicing. The criminal is now an international terrorist. It's our time to be happy. He who laughs last, laughs the best, and we are laughing last. Thank you.